Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right, so here first we will discuss the caste pool, right? So what is a caste pool, right? So a caste pool is a grouping of individual indirect caste atoms, right? So it is up grouping up individual it is grouping up individual indirect indirect caste items, right? Caste items, caste items, right? And here, what is a caste tracing, right? Caste tracing, right? So the caste tracing is the assigning of direct castes, right? Assigning direct caste, assigning of direct caste to the chosen caste object, right? To the chosen caste object, right? And the other one is the caste allocation, right? So what is caste allocation? Caste allocation, right? So caste allocation is the assigning up, it is the assigning up, it is the assigning up indirect castes, indirect it is the assigning of indirect caste to the chosen caste object, right? To the uh, to the chosen caste object, right? And another one is caste allocation base, right? So what is caste allocation base? Caste allocation base, right? So caste allocation base is a vector that links it is a vector that it is a vector that links the that links in a symmetric in a symmetric in a symmetric that links in a symmetric uh, way, right? That links in a symmetric way an indirect caste are group, right? An indirect caste are group, right? uh, up indirect castes, right? Up indirect caste, up indirect caste to masses and our group of indirect caste to caste object, sorry, it is to caste object, right? it is it is of indirect caste to caste object, right? To caste object, right? So this is the caste allocation base.